Shrimad Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 4, Shloka. Arjuna Uvacha. Aparam bhavato janma param janma vivasvatah. Katham etadvijaneyam tvam adau proktavan iti. Arjun said, "Your birth is very recent and the birth of the sun is very old. That is, it had taken place in the beginning of the Kalpa. Then how do I understand that you were the one who told this yoga to the sun in the beginning of the Kalpa?" Explanation. In this verse, Arjuna questions Lord Krishna. Arjuna says, "O Krishna, you were born only recently, whereas Vivasvan, the sun, was born long ago. Then how could you have imparted this knowledge to Vivasvan earlier? How can I believe that you imparted this divine knowledge to Vivasvan, the sun, in the beginning?" In this verse, Arjuna doubts how Lord Krishna could have imparted this knowledge earlier when he himself was born later. This doubt arises in Arjuna's mind because he is seeing the cosmic form of Krishna and he does not know the divine and imperishable form of the Lord. Krishna answers this question in the next verse, in which he discusses his incarnations and his divine form, which makes it clear that he is eternal and omnipresent. And he takes incarnation from time to time to propagate this knowledge. Jai Shri Krishna.